message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Wayne, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Neuse River near Goldsboro. From Sunday morning until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 a.m. Friday, the stage was 7.2 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by Sunday morning and continue to rise to near 25.1 feet by early Wednesday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 26.0 feet. Flooding threatens to close due south 117.